Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we've got two heavyweights in the project management ring: Airtable and Monday.com. Both are packed with features that can help streamline your workflow. But the question is, which one is the best fit for you? Whether you're managing complex projects, tracking tasks, or running a team, choosing the right platform is the key to staying on top of things. So, how do Airtable's customizable databases compare with Monday's visual task boards? We're going to compare the user experience, features, and integrations, and of course, pricing to help you decide which is going to be the ultimate productivity powerhouse. And of course, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is right for you. Alright, so let's get started. Now, the first in our list is going to be Airtable. It is a cloud-based platform that combines the functionality of a spreadsheet and database, enabling users to store, organize, and manage data in a highly flexible and collaborative way. Now, if you are a fan of our channel, you know that we have so many Airtable tutorials for you guys that you might want to check out because we are here to help you solve your problems quickly. So, if you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button to get notifications from our latest content. And while doing so, I'm just going to run a few quick details about Airtable. Once you have created your account here in Airtable, it allows anyone to create a custom workflows at the bottom left corner. From here, you can track projects, manage database without needing extensive technical knowledge. As you can see, when you create your first base here, all right, you can change the topic, change it to color, and of course you have the table views, which is this one. You have the different kind of views. You have the grid, calendar, Kanban, timeline, list, and Gantt. We have a lot of these tutorials on our GPlaps channel that you might want to check out, so you can visualize the data in various ways. Now here, you can simply put in so many options. You can add different fields like long text, attach a file, URL, and a lot more, because Airtable has a real-time collaboration, especially if you're working with multiple users, freelancers, collaborators, or team members working on the same database at once. They can add comments just in this one and update records. All right. Now, in terms of the integrations, when you go to the templates and apps, there's a lot that you can work with. All right. You can go to the apps. There's a lot of choices. When you hover to the upper right corner, you see there's like a Slack, Dropbox, GitHub, Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, and of course a Zapier. All right. Now here, as you can see, fields can be text, numbers, attachments, checkboxes, and more. It's very useful for project management, inventory tracking, content calendars, systems, and more. Now, I'm not going to dive deep into Airtable, but I'm going to focus more on Monday.com because Monday.com is a cloud-based work operating system, or Work OS. It's designed to help teams and organizations plan, organize, and track their work. Now, I find it very helpful in terms of the platform for managing tasks, projects, workflows, and collaborations. And its core function is the project management. But of course, it's also adaptable to many different use cases, from marketing campaigns to sales pipelines and of course product development. If you're interested about the pricing, you might want to hover on this case. Right? It's free forever. That's going to be $0 up to 2 seats. The basic plan starts from $9, all right, and that's $27 per month billed annually. The most popular, which I have right now, is the standard $12 per seat per month. That's going to be total $36. And of course, the pricing would vary depending on your needs, goals, and budgets. If you click on the Get Started option here, you would be forwarded to the Sign Up option, wherein it's very easy thing to do. All they have to do is click your Google account, and you can start creating the sign up form from there, or you can use your personal or business emails. Now, one of the best key features of Monday.com includes the project management dashboard, wherein users can create and assign tasks. For example, this one. I'm going to open this one, and I'm going to put in something like Airtable versus maybe Monday.com. All right, you can customize all of this, change the color if you wanted. You see this one? You can assign this task to someone. All right, you can search. You can track the status from, say, for example, working on it, you're stuck, or you're done and have a due date as well. You can add another column so teams can design workflows based on their specific needs using templates from scratch, because columns here can include text right here, status, drop down, dates, numbers, and a lot more. All right, so if you wanted to have more columns, you can do that, and you can choose from any visualing kind of template. You can use these options and add it to your board. All right, as you can see on the left side panel of your dashboard, Monday.com offers a variety of board views such as the Kanban, Gantt charts, timelines, and calendars to visualize and manage tasks. This makes it easy to who is working on what and track deadlines, and of course manage the dependencies. All right, and don't forget that Monday.com allows users to set up automation for repetitive tasks. For example, you can create rules that automatically triggers statuses, send notifications, or move items between boards based on certain triggers. All right. Not only that, integration is not an issue here in Monday.com as well, because it integrates well with a lot of applications and popular tools such as Asana, Slack, Dropbox, Zapier, Jira, Salesforce, and more, making it easy to streamline workflows. We have so many Monday.com tutorials for you guys that you might want to check in our channel. All right, whether you are a small team or large organization, Monday.com is highly scalable with different pricing tiers and options for customizing workflows as team grows. Now, I believe that if you need a flexible database-like tool with ready-to-use templates for task management, and your focus is on managing projects and teams, and you want something that's intuitive and easy to adopt quickly, Monday.com is the right platform for you. Now, if you needed a flexible database-like tool for managing diverse data sets, and you're comfortable with building workflows from scratch, and you need complex customizable data relationships, of course Airtable is going to be for you. And if you are focusing on project management for a team, or are you more on managing data workflows, that could help narrow down the choice. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.